CMC. I fired it in my kiln, which I'll show you the kiln. This is a little kiln. I've had this since I was in high school. And pretty sure, anyway. And when I pulled them out of the kiln, they looked like this. Do you see the dustiness? There. And since this clay was really kind of wet, it has these little pits in it, so it's not the best clay, but the clay that we're using on the 23rd will be fine. Okay, so then what I did was I took it and I shined it up. And so now it looks like that. And then we'll just put the little earring findings, whoops, right inside that little hole so that they can be earrings. So let me show you real quick how we take this, whoops, this off. Okay, so see how it's all white? And now I'm going to just kind of dust it off. It's already becoming silver. Where's that camera at? There, you see it? I just dusted off some of this white stuff here, and we can already see the silver. So what I'm doing now is I'm just rubbing this cloth, this kind of a, not a steel wool, but it's for, you know, it's got some grit to it. Okay, so there, I did that part. Now I'm gonna take this bit off, and I'm gonna put this bit on. There we go. And you see how it looks? And now I'm going to rub this on here, on the front and the back. I'm holding it a little bit so it doesn't, it's pretty thin, but it's still pretty strong. I mean, silver is not a real hard metal. It's still, I don't want to say it's pliable, but it's beautiful. Fine silver is beautiful to work with. A little bit on the soft side, not as soft as copper. I think copper might be softer. I'm not sure about that. I'll have to look that up. See how it's shining? And let it get in focus first. There, you can see the shine. Compare that to the part that has the dust on it. I call it dust because it's really 2% of filler. And so the filler is just gonna just not be anything. Okay, so I did that, and now I'm going to put this bit in. This is like a little cloth bit, and I'm going to rub it into some rouge. This is called rouge. It's a polishing medium. Getting hit with the little flecks. And where are you? So here it is now. Oh, where are you? Here it is. Let's get it in focus. Okay, you think that's shiny, huh? Wait till you see this. And all these things take time, you know. But you remember how shiny it was before? I'm only shining half of it so you can see how shiny it was before. And now with the rouge on it. Okay, let's see if you can see that. See that? We thought it was shiny when it was this one. See now how shiny it is? So we'll shine that all the way up and we'll have a pair of earrings. May 23rd, if you can't make May 23rd, I mean, I can do this with you on, you know, at your time schedule, but May 23rd is a day that I do workshops, or the third second or last week of the month, towards the end of the month, and Thursday or Friday, depending. So I hope you can sign up. $75. The silver alone is probably, I'm going to say 25, but it's probably closer to 40 for this much silver. And might even be more than that because I haven't actually weighed it. But I know that it's expensive. And then the workshop is 75, so it's a 9 to 12 on May 23rd. And I hope you sign up. You might be able to sign up soon online. If not, if you have any trouble, just text me or call me and I will get you registered in. Okay. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.